Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got another shoe in from poshkicks.cc. As you might already be able to tell, it's a Balenciaga box. Now they did send me the Balenciaga strike boots in the black colorway, and I'll be also putting on a fit with them, and I'll be showing you guys these on feet. Now I know that everybody is fiending for these exact boots, so I'll be showing you guys why you need to cop them from Poshkicks and not from any other sellers. Now whenever you buy something from poshkicks.cc, make sure to use my code TOMMIE for $15 off. Please make sure to go check them out because the quality is always good and the customer service is the best. Let's just open this bad boy up. You can see here that the box is different to my other boxes. This is the box for my Balenciaga runners in comparison to the box of my strike boots. As you can see, there's a major difference because these boots are so big. You can see the tags right here. As you can see, it comes with a bag, as well as a leather and also a travel bag. But Tommy, I'm not interested in these things. I just want to see the shoes. No problem, I got you. I'll be showing the shoes right now. These are the Balenciaga strike boots. Now I know that they look very bad, but it's just the lighting in my room, so don't look at that. Back when Panda Buy was still a thing, I used to see budget batches of these floating around for $50 and $70, but they are nothing compared to these. Now I know these are rather expensive compared to the other batches, but I promise you, these are worth it. You can see the distressing is very detailed, especially on the midsole, because they always used to get it wrong. Keep in mind, I already wore these, so don't look at the scratches please. Now these are actually very heavy, so that's a good sign. They paid really close attention to detail, to the distressing. You can see on the inside there's a code, as well as the Balenciaga branding. And of course on the bottom you have the Balenciaga and the Made in Italy. And whenever you cop these or any other shoe from poshkicks.cc, make sure to use my code TOMMIE for $15 off. Big shout out to poshkicks.cc for sending these out to me. They have supported me all my career and I really like them. They are genuinely one of the best sellers I've ever met in the community. Please make sure to go check them out because the quality is always good and the customer service is the best. Now I'll be putting on a fit for you guys and you can see how these look on feet. As you can see, I put on a black shirt as well as some flare jeans. And these boots go really well with the flare jeans, you can see it right here. I really like these because of the exaggerated sole, as well as the small distressing you can see right here. You can just beat them up however you like because they are already fucked up. Make sure to go cop these in my link in bio, as well as use my code TOMMIE for $15 off. And I will see you guys in the next video.